What is up, guys? This is RT Kev with another banger. Right now, I am at the body shop thinking about what I want to do next with my charger and also getting some work done on my wife's Accord Sport. She's getting a front splitter on the bottom. These people right here are the best in the business at doing that. So that's why I am back. And this is your guy right here. Tell him your name.
I'm Aaron from Coach and Color.
Coach and Color. And give me your address.
It's 19909 East Valley Boulevard in Warren City.
Perfect. And then your phone number?
909-594-0066.
And tell them what you specialize in.
We specialize in body repair and paint job. We use the best paint like glass red paint. So it's like top rated paint in the market right now. Yeah.
Right. So that's your guy right there, man. And he'll come up here whenever you want to get something done. He has a guy that is a veteran that's been doing this for a very long time. Your car will be fine. It will be taken care of. I don't trust everybody with my charger. You guys know that. And I get my work done here. So if you guys are in this area, swing by, get some prices. He's pretty fair, and he'll get the work done quickly. I pulled in, got my diffuser put on, and I was out of here in a half an hour. So come by here if you're looking for upgrading things on your car, or if you just need paint, or if your car got hit by some dumb person, bring it here to get it fixed. He'll take care of you. All right, guys? And I'll be right back with more info. Swipe. Okay, guys, I am now at aerowerkz. I'm trying to talk to Philip up here about a wrap and possibly doing more things with the RT. I'm not sure if I'm a rabbit because I really do like that black, so I'm not too sure. But yeah, this is the place right here, aerowerkz Motorsports. Yeah, so let me go inside and talk to them, and I will be right back. Check out this Tesla they got up here. This thing cold right here, man. That's pretty hard. Yes, sir. That works. Alright, guys, I'll be right back. Alright, guys, I am inside of aerowerkz, and this is their work area. Look how beautiful it is in here, man. How you doing, brother? All right. Yeah, guys, this is Philip's shop right here. This is a new address. So if you guys need some work, come here and get it done. They're the best in the business, man. There's no two ways about it. They're the best at what they do. So, all right, guys, I will be right back. All right, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna get up out of here now. I just came to talk some business about what I'm gonna do with the RT. So yeah, man, this is aerowerkz, man. Come get your stuff done here. It's gonna get done right, believe that. All right, guys, stay tuned. Yes, sir. That thing looking cold. You know I gotta give you guys a view of the whip every chance I get. That thing cold though. Sir. Sounds good. Alright, guys, so I am going to take my car home, pick up my wife's car, take it to the body shop, the Coach and Colors, and start working on her front splitter. So when I do that and I get back there, I'll pick up my camera and I'll start filming again. Alright guys, I am back at Coach and Colors, getting things done with my wife's Accord Sport. We're gonna go ahead and get this splitter done today. Yep, and this is the work that we're gonna get done today. we're gonna do the front splitter. It's black, and it's gonna be a drill in. So I am just waiting for him to get back from lunch, and we're gonna go ahead and get that done. All right, guys, stay tuned, man. It's a beautiful day. Alright guys, that is it for today. I finished getting the front splitter lip done on my wife's Accord Sport, and also talked some business about the RT and getting things done with that. And with no further ado, I'm going to let you guys see what the car looks like after it's done. But before then, remember to follow me on IG, RTKev19, and remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. Whatever you need, just let me know. Ask any questions, just let me know, and I'll be right there to answer them. All right, guys, until the next video, I am out.